Hey you guys, it's Linda. I'm back. Today I'm going to talk to you about our new Fantastics and I'm going to answer a couple of questions about them. So let's start, shall we? What is Fantastic? Fantastic looks like this. It is a hybrid between a lipstick and a cream blush. It has the most amazing formula that is so soft and so moisturizing. You have to try it. It's like it gives this almost like this plastic film on your lips in a good way, and also makes like the most amazing, like, look at this glowy blush. Fantastic comes in 5 shades from, I'm gonna tell you the names of them. I have them all here. Here is Pink Opal, Goldstone, Bullseye, Ametrine, and Garnet. And they are not full coverage. They are like medium, light to medium coverage, so you can build up a coverage. You can use them on top of your lipstick, on your liquid lipstick if you feel like your lips get a little bit too dry, or just on their own. 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Yeah, actually, Fantastic contains SPF 15, which I think is amazing because I'm all for sunscreen. You can wear nice color on your lips and still make sure that your lips don't burn in the sun. So I think that's a plus. Yeah, of course I can swatch them. I'm just gonna do this because I have a... Okay, let's start. Maybe I should do the other arm without the tattoo, or I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it here. So first of all, I'm gonna swatch Pink Opal. That is the lightest of the shades. And as you can see, they are really sheer, but I really like this shade. And then we have Goldstone. That is a little bit darker and a little bit warmer than Pink Opal. And then we have Bullseye, that is red. This is the most covering shade in the range, I would say. And it's a bright red. Then we have Ametrine. That is a very cool toned, like purple grayish, very pretty. And then we have Garnet, that is the darkest, like berry, very deep berry shade. This looks amazing as a blush on dark skin, for example. These on my skin today, I've used Pink Opal and Goldstone just to get this nice shade, but here are some swatches of them all. If I have any favorite, well, that's a hard question. I don't really know. I actually like them all, but oh, that's a hard one. I really like Goldstone, this like warm pink tone, because it goes with everything. You can just, you know, without a mirror, you can just apply it and it looks good, and it's like My Lips but better shade. So I really enjoy wearing that shade. And also it's my favorite blush shade, like, to put on myself. So oh, that is such a hard question, but I think it would be Goldstone. And I also love Bullseye because it's red, and you know, I love red. They're amazing. I would love for everyone to try them because they are so soft and they are not sticky at all, and you can wear them all day and you feel like your lips, they get really moisturized and really soft and nice. So I only have positive things to say about them. I really hope you guys want to try them out because they're awesome. And try them as blush, try them as a lipstick, on top of our crayons. and just play around with them. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!